Alright, so here I am again in an undisclosed location. This here is the old spring box. I've got the pump out of it right now, and I've got my makeshift dam still down in there. I was planning on filling it with concrete, but I decided that I'm going to go ahead and actually take the whole thing apart and try to find the original spring head and go ahead and redo the whole thing, because like I said in the other video, it wasn't ever sealed properly, and I've actually got part of the spring coming out of the side right here where it shouldn't be in a couple different spots, and that would be because it's just not sealed right, and it just needs to be redone, I think. And we're going to try to tear this whole thing down and find the original spring head. Like I said, you can still see the part where it's bubbling out of the ground over there, which is really cool. But we're just going to try to dig out the sediment, and I wanted to kind of document it first before we did anything.